Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Gate.io account directly to your bank account in 2025. Let's get into it. First, make sure you have assets in your account. If you don't, you won't be able to proceed with the withdrawal. But if you do, let's move on. Now head over to the assets section in the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll see all the assets you currently have in your account. Once you're in the asset tab, click on withdraw. Now you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw like USDT. After that, you will see a few options for withdrawal methods. Here, you want to choose the flat option. Here, this will allow you to sell your crypto directly your local currency. Once you have selected the fiat, or you'll see an option sell your crypto directly to your bank account. So instead buying, you'll be able to sell it for euro or whatever your local currency is. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. For example, let's say you want to withdraw 100 USDT. Once you have done that, click the options to proceed and you'll see how much the transaction will cost, including any fees. When you're ready, click sell and your crypto will be sold and transferred to your bank account. You should see the payment as a SEPA payment, which should arrive in your account soon. And that is it. You have successfully withdrawn funds from Gate.io to your bank account. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one as always.